Hello guys, this is Kate Extreme Vlogging, and for today we're going to cook shogayaki dong. The first procedure is actually we're going to prepare the katsu dong. Okay, katsu means fry breast chicken with breadcrumbs, pepper, egg, and flour. Okay, so first of all, you have to dry the breast chicken and then pour the salt and pepper into it, and then afterwards you have to dip in flour. Okay, braise in flour, and then after that you have to put in egg, dip in egg. Okay, beaten egg. Then after that you have to put there on the breadcrumbs. Okay, roll over the breast chicken to the breadcrumbs. Okay, then after that preheat the frying pan and then put a lot of oil because you're going to put a deep fry. Okay, so you're doing a deep fry chicken. Okay, after that you have to stand by and check if the chicken is already done. Okay, and then afterwards you have to set aside, put it in put in the towel, okay, or a napkin, so that the oil will be removed. Then afterwards, yes, then second time around we are going to prepare for the shogayaki. Yes, the shogayaki includes onion, soy sauce, honey. Okay, then after that ginger will be cut into pieces, onion cut into pieces, and then you have to put in the frying pan the onion, the soy sauce, the honey. Okay, and then you have to put the katsu chicken inside the frying pan, set aside. Okay, you don't have to make it simmer a lot of time. Then afterwards you have to beat in the egg again, two beaten egg, and then you have to put that one on the top of the katsu chicken. Okay, so you're not going to fry the chicken much you're not going to fry the egg much. Okay, so what you're going to do is to cook the egg only on the soy sauce. Okay, then after that you have to braise that egg yolk on the top of the katsu chicken, and that is shogayaki dong. So for today po, Japanese cuisine po tayo. Okay guys, so watch it from the start until to the end. And thank you very much for all the people who supported my channel. Please like and share. If you're not subscribers yet, please be subscribed. Okay, thank you very much guys, and watch it until the end. Hello guys, so as we are following the procedure how to prepare the shogayaki dong, magchismisan muna tayo guys. So ang bago po ngayon sa YouTube is if you are a monetized channel or affiliated by the Shopee, yes, sa lahat po ng monetized channel, if you wanted to earn more on your channel, so you have to tag the Shopee in all your videos para po kumita po tayo sa Shopee, para sa ganun magkaroon po tayo ng malaking kita dito po sa YouTube channel. We are tagging the Shopee to all our videos, so makikita nyo po yan sa paglabas ng mga video nyo, short or upload. Yung mga advertisement po ay Shopee, so kayo po ay affiliated sa Shopee, connected po ang channel nyo sa Shopee. Paano ginagawa yon? Pagpunta nyo po sa YouTube studio nyo, nandoon po sa babang-baba. Kung gusto nyo pong maging connected sa Shopee, all you have to do is to click yes. Okay, so papasok po kayo sa loob, at tapos po i-on nyo lang yung tagging nyo sa Shopee. Para po sa lahat ng video na gagawin nyo, nakatag po si Shopee sa inyong mga upload premiere, sa shorts video, sa live streaming, para po kumita ang channel nating lahat. Okay? So, ganun po ang bagong pakulupon ng ating YPP or YouTube Partner Program para po sa mga monetized channel na gusto pong lumaki ang kitaan. Okay, guys? So, all you have to do is to click on and then accept and then turn it on the tagging for Shopee. Okay, guys? So, ayan po, sa nakikita nyo po at yes, sa una po nating video ay it's a katsu. Yes, it's a katsu po, yung niluto natin nung una. That is a part 1. So all you have to do if you are going to do the shogayaki dong is the first step is that katsu. You have to fry the breast chicken. Then afterwards, the second part is you're going to do beaten egg again, 2 beaten egg. Cut the onion. If you have white onion, if you have red onion, any onions, okay? Then afterwards, you have to cut into pieces the ginger, okay? Afterwards, yes, all you have to do is to put the soy sauce in the frying pan, put the onion, and put the ginger, and put the honey on the base of the soy sauce. The soy sauce that we use here is Kikkoman. Okay? So, all you have to do is to put all of those ingredients in a pan and let it boil. After that, you have to tap the katsu or the cut chicken. Yeah, cut chicken. You have to tap there on that soy sauce, and then afterwards, you have to put that beaten egg. And you have to cook that one slightly, okay? So, malasado lang po yung itlog. And then, afterwards, ilalagay nyo po sa toppings po ng katsu. Katsu is meaning fried chicken. Ayan, itap nyo lang po yan. Pag naluto na po yung itlog do sa soy sauce, all you have to do is to top up the egg. And then, prepare nyo po yung rice of bowl. Tapos, ilalagay nyo lang po sa ibabaw ng kanin yung katsu. Okay? Kung meron po kayong what is this? The onion leek. It's good also. Onion leek. Okay? So, you can topping with onion leek ang inyong shogayaki dong. Ayan na po at tayo ay patapos na. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood and hopefully po nasundan niyo po ang procedure natin sa napakadaling gawing shogayaki dong. Okay? Maraming salamat at hopefully po sa lahat po ng mga monetized channel, yes, itag nyo po lahat ng video nyo po sa Shopee. Okay? Maraming salamat. So, ito pong shogayaki dong will be top up or will be tagged to Shopee. Okay. Thank you very much sa lahat. At yan po ay Japanese na Japanese po ang lasa. Ang sarap.